What's up, guys? Boss Painter here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and we're doing another Q&A. So here we go. Question comes out from Cody. Hey Tony, how you doing? Big fan of your work and videos. I've learned everything I know from your videos. The problem I'm having is when I'm spraying a hood, there is faded lines in it. It don't do it on the fenders or side panels, just the hood. I know it's a bigger area to cover. I've tried putting down a dust coat and it helped some, but it still left splotches. It's kind of hard to see on the Bonneville, but it's spotchless, and on the S10 is a streak. Just want to know what I need to correct the problem. Thanks for all the videos you do. So I wish you would have let me know if this is a single stage or a base coat, clear coat paint job. From what I see here, it looks like it's a base coat, clear coat paint job. This one could be a single stage. I don't know. So here's the deal. Single stage, spraying with a single stage acrylic or synthetic enamel, especially with metallics, you have to be very careful, because there's a tendency to cause blotting and patching and tiger stripes like this. Number one, because of insufficient coverage as far as fan overlap. So here's, like, I got my kid's book, but let's just imagine that this is the car, okay, and this is your fan pattern, your spray coming out. When you're spraying, you're not spraying like a 50% overlay. So if you spray it like this, you should come back like right around here. Okay, a 50% overlay when you're spraying. So if it's like psh, 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 okay, it should be like that. Okay, and then you do 75% coverage when you're doing candy. Okay, you're actually spraying. So that's number one, your coverage. Number two is your gun. Actually, your gun could not be properly atomizing. And that will cause that. You know, your gun not having the correct pressure settings, number one. Of course, you always want to make sure your paint's mixed correctly. But if your paint is too thin, you can actually have issues coverage issues as well. So make sure you're using a good gun. Make sure your air cap is clean. Make sure your nozzle is clean. Make sure it's coming out evenly. So I would test a but a piece of paper or something, you know, on the side, and make sure your fan pattern, make sure the paint's going on evenly. Because if you have a little high on the top and low on the bottom, that's going to give you this exact same issue, exactly what you see here. Okay, it's hard to tell if it's tiger stripes because I see some of the rafters in the clear coat here, the beams on your ceiling, which kind of makes it look like a tiger stripe, but I don't think that's actually it. I think what you're talking about is like this area in here, kind of this patching here. These, I believe, are just your rafters. I don't know, it's hard to tell. This could be a dark spot. Hard to tell. I wish you would have sent more pictures of this one truck here. You only sent one picture of the truck. This one, I do see the blotching and patching in these areas here. Here. Right? It's pretty much all over the hood, actually. So now that I've replied to you, I'm not sure what kind of gun you're using, but again, use a good medium grade. The cheap Harbor Freight guns are not going to cut it. They might work on the first job, but they deteriorate really, really quickly. Pick up yourself a good mid-grade gun. You know, you don't have to go buy an $800, $900 SATA or a WADA. Go with a mid-grade gun, and the guns that I recommend now are the Atom spray guns. Atom for atomization. They are probably one of the best mid-grade guns on the market right now. They're not that super well known. I'm like pretty much one of the top, you know, YouTube channels online that talks about the Atom, and it is a fantastic gun. A lot of great reviews on them. And right now, when you buy the Atom gun, you actually get a gun bud, which is a lighting system that will help you light up your projects. Pretty cool system. I advise you to check it out at Zula.com. Actually, on the home page, there is right now, when you get the Atom X27, which is the top of the line gun that Atom makes, you get a free gun bud. And if you don't know what gun bud is, you can click this image here at Zula.com and you can watch a video of what it does. But it basically lights up your paint job in poor lit areas. So something like that. Super cool. You just snap it on the cup of your gun. It's a universal lighting system that you can put on any spray gun. But if you invest in the X27, you get a gun bud for free. So that's the other option. Okay, so check your paint gun, check your coverage, and that's pretty much it. I mean, the only thing I would say is after you're spraying the car hood, here, I'll just do it right here perfectly. So after you're spraying the hood, okay, you're probably painting the hood. I don't know. Maybe you're coming, maybe you're starting here at the fender and you're spraying this way. Okay, you spray here and then you pick it up. You walk around the side of the car. You come here and then you pick it up here. This is pretty much the way to do it, right? And then you just spray this way. Okay, after you do that on your last coat, right? Pick it back up, get your spray gun, and go sideways like this. Spray like this. Okay, I do this as well. Especially if you feel like you're having problems with metallic and you're getting this blotchy. Up your PSI about 2 pounds. So if you're spraying with 27, 28, go to 29 or 30. Kind of like a drop coat. But you want to make sure your paint is already wet. So you're going to be going wet this way, right? So it's already wet. And then if you go a little drier here with a drop coat, higher PSI, pull back your gun another few inches, right? And you can go this way. Okay, and then you might want to sit, stand in front of the car and then just go like this as well. The farthest up you can reach. You're probably not going to be able to reach all the way up here, right, from the front, but you'll be able to get the most of the area here, and then you might want to just come back from the side again. And then, just, it's always good to go back, when painting, because painting is the only time that you're flexible. After the job is done, it's done. It's dried, and the only option you have is buffing or to redo the job if you screwed up. But while you're painting, if you see these patches, you have an opportunity to fix it. All right, so it's very important. If you see this, don't just end it like that. Try to blend it out. Try to fix it while you're painting, okay, until you don't see anything. And this is where gun bud, again, will come in extremely handy because you can see exactly what you're doing with the light directly in front of you. So check out this product. It's a new product on the market. It's amazing. They have like some super technology, COB/LED light technology that mirrors direct sunlight. It gives you 5,000 to 9,000 K bright light, up to 500 lumens on this little thing. And it's specifically made for painting like this. So check this product out. You're going to love it. You can put it on any type of gravity feed spray gun like this and work it. It's at Zula.com gun bud. All right. Also, for all you new guys watching our videos here, hopefully you like them. Please click the like button. If you're new or not, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the tips that I shared on this video here as far as painting. And comment down below. Let me know what you think, and even put your questions down as well. If you have any questions, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. And also if you're brand new, you can check out this site called LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. It's my site. It's been on for about 10 years now, helping tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people through my free trainings, and tens of thousands of people, over 10,000 people going through our VIP Platinum program, which teaches you everything you need to know about auto body and paint. If you click this button here, if you're on YouTube, the top right button, drop down is going to come down where you could download a free 85-page manual. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this is our main home page, or you'll be going to a page that looks like this here, where you could download that free 85-page guide. And I'm going to also hit you up with a special offer for VIP. So do not let that opportunity slip past your hands, because I know and I guarantee that it will help you if you have any interest in learning auto body from your home garage and getting professional results like our members have from all across the world. They submit their photos like this of their projects that they do, and it's amazing. We have tons of people in our private Facebook group, private forums, and in VIP you get hundreds of hours of step-by-step auto body videos on everything you need to know. It's kind of like a Netflix of auto body training. We're the only ones in the world right now with this type of program dedicated to your success. You don't have to be a scholar or go to auto body school to learn this. You can learn this from the comfort of your own home by going through our auto body and paint trainings. I've been doing this since I'm 15, have well over 20 years experience. Yeah. Anyway, it's Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon.